Okay, it looks big, but it could be so much worse. We're going to combine the power, quotient, and chain rules. All right, now there is an outside. There is an inside. That's when we use the chain rule. Let's begin with the outside. For the outside, it's the power rule. 2 times whatever this is, let it be, and then drop the power from 2 to 1. Okay, well, we don't normally say 1. Okay, that's the outside. What about the inside? Now, on the inside, you've got a quotient. And if you have a quotient, well, we're going to need to use that quotient rule. That b, a prime minus a, b prime, all over b squared. Uh-oh. I probably need to think about what is that first. Okay, well, while I'm thinking about it, so as for that quotient rule, now then, I enjoy taking my little steps and saying that a is going to be whatever's in the numerator, that a prime is the derivative of that factor. And the derivative of 4x is 4, the derivative of 3 is 0. B is going to be the factor from the denominator, and b prime is just 2x plus 0, which is 2x. Okay, now I need to plug this in when I am differentiating the inside, plugging it into that quotient rule again that looks like this. Okay, so we already used our power rule, took our power out front, we left this, we dropped the power. Now we're differentiating the inside, and that calls for b, x squared plus 9, times the derivative of a, which is 4, take away a, 4x minus 3, times the derivative of b, times 2x, and this is all over b squared. So that's all over x squared plus 9 squared. I have some simplifying to do. Okay, well, that 2 out front is the same as 2 over 1. So I do have 2 times 4x minus 3. I can leave the 2 out here if I want, or I could distribute it. Now, on the inside up top, I've got 4 times x squared, 4 times 9. Now then, we do have a minus in the middle, 2x times 4x. 8x squared, and this minus, that minus, we've got a double negative, minus negative 3 times 2x, that's a positive 6x. Okay. And then in the bottom we have x squared minus 9, and we have another 2 of those. Well, that means we've got 3 of those things. Let's see if we can simplify some more. 2 have 4x minus 3 up top. 4x squared take away 8x squared is negative 4x squared. I have a linear term and a constant. Okay. Well, there's not a whole lot for me to do. Maybe if I'm clever, I'll notice that there's a greatest common factor here, something that 4, 6, and 36 have in common. I don't know if I would be that clever. I could take out a 2. While I'm at it, I could take out a negative 2. If I do factor out a negative 2, well, I already have a 2 waiting. So I would have 2 times negative 2 times 4x minus 3. If I'm dividing negative 4x squared by negative 2, I'm left with positive 2x squared. 6x divided by negative 2, we're changing all the signs since we're taking out a negative. 36 divided by negative 2, and this is all over x squared plus 9 cubed. That's the same as negative 4 times whatever remains. Now, of course, we do not factor the denominator. That's the sum of squares. We call it the sauce, and you stay off the sauce. Yeah. And then while I'd love to factor this trinomial some more, it's just not factorable. So this is our derivative.